Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss with you a Google Chrome problem. The problem is Google Chrome not opening automatically. It is a very minor problem and we can solve the problem very easily by some nominal tricks. So let's start, my friend. To resolve the problem you have to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. From here you will find a process option. Under the process option you have to find Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome and select End Task. It will be end all background operation of Google Chrome software. Now click the cross and now click find the Google Chrome icon on your desktop and right click and select properties. Go to open file location and you will find Chrome icon and select that. Right click that and select rename and rename Chrome to something Chrome 1 as you like, and again select a Chrome 1 and click to send and click right click and select the option send to and click desktop. Now come to the desktop and cross it. Delete old Google Chrome icon from your desktop and use new Chrome 1 icon for browsing. That's it. Your problem will resolve by this trick. But anyhow, after applying this trick, your Google Chrome not opening automatically, then you have to uninstall your Google Chrome from control panel. Right control panel here and select control panel and open it. Select programs and double click. Select uninstall a program and select Google Chrome and uninstall the Google Chrome software from your computer. After uninstall the Google Chrome from your computer, double click this PC icon, double click C drive, double click users, double click user and select home button. Select view button and select options and click the down arrow and select change folder and search option. Select view, click show hidden files and folders and unclick hide protected operating system files. Click yes, apply, OK. After that, in user folder you will be find a app data folder which is actually a hidden folder. Double click that. Select local folder and double click that. From here select Google folder and delete the Google folder. After deleting the Google folder, you have to install Google Chrome again. Open a browser. I am using Microsoft Edge, for example. Right here www.google.com/Chrome, CHROME, and press enter. and click download Chrome. Your Chrome setup will be now downloaded here. After download complete, it will take a few more times. Click open folder options or open file options. And click yes. Now your Google Chrome setup is running to install on your computer again. The setup is now downloading necessary file to load Google Chrome in your computer. Now after downloading the necessary files to load Google Chrome on your computer, now Google Chrome is installing on your computer. After successfully install of your Google Chrome, now we try to open Google Chrome and it open successfully. So friend, subscribe my channel and follow us.